What do these have in common? These are some of the tools I've personally used to clean out earwax. The old reliable Q-tip. This is what most people use to clean out their ears. The ancient Chinese ear picker. Every Asian kid I knew grew up with their parents cleaning out earwax with this tool. Even the Oscar-nominated movie Minari has a scene of a Korean mom cleaning out her son's ear. Then there was that one time in college where I had to create a makeshift ear picker from a sterilized paper clip. That was the last time I did that. Lately, there's been a trend with YouTubers removing earwax with a camera-enabled ear picker. I was intrigued, so I recently bought one of these camera ear pickers. I ordered my Bebird C3 model off of Amazon. This specific model was highly rated at 4.5 stars from almost 2,000 ratings. The tool has a 1080p wireless Wi-Fi ear camera, so you don't have to be connected to any cables. It was easy to link the tool to the app on my iPhone. I was able to use the camera and record video pretty quickly. The box came with a manual, the wireless endoscope, various ear spoons, and a USB charger. It's the latest addition to my set of earwax tools. Let's get started and dig in. So I'm going to record. It's kind of crazy. So now let's go into my ear. Some hair in there. Oh, there we go. Ugh. Oh yeah. And you know, I feel like this is a lot cleaner than most people. Oh, okay, there we go. What the heck is that? Oh yeah. There we go. There we go. Okay. Yeah, there's some stuff here on the roof. Let's mow that lawn right there. I mean, what's up here? What is this? That's something, right? That's a good dig. Ooh. When I look at the camera, I don't know how to reach that top part of my ear, but when I close my eyes, like Luke Skywalker, and use the Force, I know exactly how to get up there. So it's almost like I have to close my eyes and get up there first, and then I'm like, oh, there it is. Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. Oh yeah, that's a good scoop. There we go. This is harder stuff. Okay. Oh. Whoa, look at that. I'm gonna pick these. Come on, baby. Come to daddy. No bro left behind! If you told my Chinese grandma that this would happen, she would be like, 什么？你说什么？ There's something here. This part hurts a little. I don't know why. And now I know how hard it is for those people to control that rover on the moon. Am I right? Am I right? Am I right? Am I right? Scoop me, yes. No, 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 no. Don't fall off. Oh! Oh!
Ta-da!
What is this? This is wetness. Ew. Maybe you guys are all grossed out, but why don't you take a look at your own ears, you know? Look at the 4 fingers pointing back at your Bebird device. Okay, I think I might be done. I've been doing this for 30 minutes now, so you know, it's not too bad. I like this tool. All right, that was fun. That was really fun. I might do this every week. Like and subscribe. Can I get it? Like and subscribe. Peace.